Hello, humans! The Great Papyrus, don't know what's going on right now, so... And what is everyone... And what is everyone talking about? Like, what did... Like, what did... What did the thing... What did the thing... the other person next to the floating human mean? This is what they said. Okay, so here's a thing. Okay, so what's going on? What is he doing to the other guy's leg? I know what's going on, but I'm just being delirious because, you know, little papyrus. And what did it mean? We don't talk about what happens at home in public. Okay, but okay, this is weird now. Okay, this is weird now. Okay, so we have to find, oh, man. Let's look at this place. Let's see if it's nothing. How about circus? Circus. That guy seems scary, but whatever. Greetings. Greetings. Oh, I can't look it up for you. And you can see that I was watching Fuggy Nugget. Okay. Circus. Circus clown. So what happened was, the reason why I'm mostly about to throw up right now is because, you know, how is it not working? It's usually working. Well, whatever. Let's go here. See how scary it is. 'Cause the Great Papyrus. Oh. Greetings. Greetings. Nothing. is up. Except for the sky, and nothing is up except for the sky. I know that was a pun, but I guess you could say pun was intended. I hope they laugh at it. But really, I don't know that. By the way, girl, I love you. Everything is girls, 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 girls. Why does it have to be? Now I can be in any voice I want to be in. Which, right. Let's come here. I know what you guys are gonna say. Why would the great papyrus go to something that says idiot? Well, to teach some idiots some new stuff. Greetings, humans. Greetings, humans. Wait, that looks like, who are those people right there? Why are so many people wearing this? Actually, that's the first one I've seen. Wait, because he's a newcomer, so if people are gonna dance, then they should learn how to dance properly. Let's go here. Time to do my stuff. Ready? So let me just, I think I get in the perfect area. Here we go! I may be moving a lot around the room, but I'm still dancing. What has happened to me? What has happened to me? Undertale. FNAF. How do they not? Wait. I have an idea. A log out. Here we are. Oh, this is a scary papyrus. This is me. The great papyrus. The amazing papyrus. I don't know I'm gonna find papyrus. Oh, my, that is supposed to be this papyrus, and I'm very scared. Oh my, great job. I don't want to hurt the humans' feelings. Aww, I need to save this one. It is adorable. Very adorable. And I've been finding cursed images a lot, so that's why I made, I don't know what I'm gonna do, so, you know what, I'll just get out of this for now. Because I don't flipping care. Oh, there's this one. Okay, that's just... Damn it. Still, here he is. I hate not being able to speak well.
However, it's true, you sometimes find some weird stuff. And not weird in a, hey, I didn't know my assistant Blossom could juggle way. More like just bad weird.
I don't want to laugh at that.
However, it's true, you sometimes find some weird stuff. And not weird in a, hey, I didn't know my assistant Blossom could juggle way. More like just bad weird.
Oh my. So sad.
However, it's true, you sometimes find some weird stuff. And not weird in a, hey, I didn't know my assistant Blossom could juggle way. More like just bad weird. However, it's true, you sometimes find some weird...
I can't right now.
It's true, you sometimes find some weird stuff. And not weird in a, hey, I didn't know my
done
assistant
laughing.
Blossom could juggle way. More like just bad weird.
I can't. Please.
However, it's
It sounds like you're saying ow.
However, it's true, you sometimes find some weird stuff. And not weird in a, hey, I didn't know my assistant Blossom could juggle way. More like just bad weird.
That poor cat.
However, it's true, you sometimes find some weird stuff. And not weird in a, hey, I didn't know my assistant Blossom could juggle way. More like just bad weird. However, it's true, you sometimes find some weird stuff. And not weird in a, hey, I didn't know my assistant Blossom could juggle way. More like just bad weird.
What was that? What was it? Okay, that's definitely my butter. Oh no, poor dog. What the fuck is that? Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Now let's just, first day featured entering comments the day before yesterday, adding creations yesterday thumbline, concept today, adding project. Well, that's cool. The humans, all you other humans are weird. So I am weird too, cause I too am a human. Human. Let's find Undertale. Undertale. We only have 1 second left. Well, wait, we have sweet time. Please. Please stay. Please stay. Other humans, this is one with me in it. Well, I'm intrigued then. He always does that. Oh, Jesus Christ. Take off my headphones. Jesus, that's not my face right now. Oh, yeah.